Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about update collection. Sorry. So what is update here? So you can update a record or document as it is called MongoDB by using the update underscore one-off method. Okay. So in this one-off method, what is going to happen if you're having any query? So if you want to update it, like if you want to change the address or you want to change the name or the new value you want to add, you can do it with the help of this. So any particular one value, if you want to change it, you will use update underscore one method. Okay, so it will help you to change that value. After that, if you want to change like more values, okay, in that case you have to add update underscore more many update many. Okay, so these are the different kind of terms that are going to use here. I'm showing you one value that I wanted to add, so that is how you can add it. Okay, in the second one I am using how to update many values, so update underscore many will be used in that case. Okay, so these are the two kinds of methods that are available. First one for the one value and the second one for the many values. So these are the two terms that you can use. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.